Good morning and welcome to Monday's edition of the Bubba Show. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed, hope you relaxed, spent some time with the family. Today we look at first last week, and last week was kind of what we thought, coming down to the bottom end of congestion. Markets came down, fairly significantly for today's type of movement. Not overly drastically lower, but for what we've been seeing. So now we're at the bottom level of congestion, and we're going to talk about trading out of congestion later in the week. But so now where are we headed to? And we see that the Dow is down and actually bounced a little bit on Friday after being down. But right now it seems to me that the market is not holding any news and any rally. Why? Well, there's a lot of different things that are going on within the marketplace. But the most important thing to remember is the footprints of the market, the way the market is traded. The market has been steadily selling off every rally that we've seen. And I've been writing that we want to be a seller of every rally that you see. Why? Because that's the action that we're seeing. Commodities got hit fairly hard last week. We had some movement in oil, but again, after the fear in the Mideast calmed down, the oil sold off a little bit. Grains got popped. So we're starting to see ever so subtle changes, and we'll kind of discuss those as the week goes by. But last week, down and fairly much expected. My predictions were for a lower week, but we're not getting the volatility. And so as we look forward into the new week, we start to see, well, where are we at? Well, we're at the bottom end of congestion. We figure to have some sort of pop rally in here. I don't know from where or why. The news is going to be heavy this week. We've got retail sales today. So retail sales could have some driver on the market. We've got the Empire manufacturing number. That's always a very big number on things that are happening and how the market could possibly react. But looking forward to the week, we are at the bottom level of congestion. We're probably on a support level. Stocks like Apple might have reached some support. Interesting how the few options traders, how on the weekly options they pinned or closed right at strike for a lot of the options last week. So looking forward to this week, we'll check the news. We've got a few topics we want to talk about. We're going to look at trading the news, look at trading on congestion, and kind of focus on the overall market and how to get, what to look for and how to kind of guide yourself into watching things here. So, volatility stays low, so we're certainly not in a panic sell-off. This is probably just a natural sell. So keep that in mind, and we'll take a look at some things. And for Monday, the Bubba Show, remember Bubba's Picks. Remember, have a great day. We'll talk to you on Tuesday.